Welcome to the first module of the Fashion Label Accelerator System, and the first module is called Building a Foundation for Your Fashion Business. And in this module we go through all the legal documents and contracts that you'll need to start your business. Now, we all know that building a business on a good foundation is only going to result in a really strong and powerful business in the end, or in 5 years' time. And the statistics have it that 46% of all labels, fashion labels that start off, fail. And you know, a lot of that's to do with so much competition out there, but a lot of it's got to do with the fact that people don't necessarily have all the business structures in place that they need to really have a successful business. So it's all about a formula, and the Launch My Label Fashion Label Accelerator System is just that. It's a system, it's a formula to help you get really set up so that you'll have a successful business. So in the first module we go through confidentiality agreements, trade for photos if you have a model or a photographer that you're using for a shoot, volunteers agreements, staffing agreements, any kind of agreement that you may need in the future to submit to someone. We've got it all in this pack. Now, I know that us designers, we don't really like to do all the boring legal and officey kind of stuff, so that's why I've created this pack, is so that we can get all of that out of the way and you don't have to think about it. So some of the documents in here may not be relevant for you just now, but they will definitely be of use in the future. So the best thing to do is just change all the documentation to put your business in there, make it relevant for your business, and put your logo on the top of the page. And then you've got them set up, and I guarantee you that when you do that and you're ready and you're prepared, then an opportunity will arise and you'll go, oh great, I've got that piece of information, just print it off, adjust it a little bit, and away you go. Now, these documents aren't legal advice, so you will have to read through them properly and seek legal advice if you need to. Just make sure they're relevant to your business, and you can adjust them. They're all in Word documents and PDFs as well.